How to find your TikTok live stream key. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to find your TikTok live stream key. Alright, so let's begin. So, if you're streaming on TikTok from your computer, you'll need a stream key to go live using third-party software like Restream Studio or Off Studio. Keep in mind, you'll only need this if you're not streaming directly from your phone. For mobile, you can go live without a stream key using the TikTok app. Remember one thing, you must have at least 1000 followers on TikTok to live stream. So, in order to find your TikTok live stream key, you have to follow these steps. Step 1, log into your TikTok account on a computer. Step 2, click Go Live on the left hand side. You will be redirected to livecenter.tiktok.com/producer. Step 3, scroll down and click the red Go Live button at the bottom. Step 4, select a category and stream title for your stream. Click the red Save and Go Live button. Step 5, your live stream dashboard will appear, but don't worry, you're not live yet. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see your server URL and stream key. Step 6, to copy the stream key to your clipboard, click the copy button on the right. Step 7, you can now paste your stream key into your preferred streaming software. So that's basically how you can find your TikTok live stream key. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.